Stop what you're doing right now. You need to make this recipe. You like to eat, I like to cook. This is Cooking with your boy Jimmy Vegan. Today's recipe comes from my cookbook. There's a link below if you want to pick it up. Lemon, chicken, and asparagus. Let us get into it. You see what we're starting with? 4 simple ingredients. 4 simple, fresh ingredients. This is the chicken that I'm using for this recipe. There are others you can use as well. Better than bouillon is the shit. Excuse my French. Anyway, let's get into this. Cut the potatoes in half. Easy, right? Cut the chicken into pieces so that you can marinate it, okay? This is the Gardein chicken that I use. You can also use many other varieties. Asparagus are cut into thirds. And let's get into this marinade. You're gonna make this 2 times. One for the chicken and one for the vegetables. There's some stuff in here that I'm not gonna tell you about, but the seasoning is phenomenal. Again, the recipe is in the cookbook. You wanna give it a nice stir because you're gonna marinate the chicken and marinate it some more and marinate it again and let it sit and let it sit. Let it soak up all the stuff. The fresh vegetables that we cut up go into your pan, your pot, whatever, right? You can see now, pour the marinade on. This is one of the marinades that you set to the side. Give it a nice stir. You want to make sure everything is coated. Then you're going to pour that marinated chicken on top. Have mercy, my goodness. Lemon, garlicky, zesty. I mean, you're going to love this. Refreshing, succulent, all of that stuff. Mouth-watering, flavor-packed, tangy, and this is what it looks like. People, when I tell you, you will love this, you will love this. Fresh, delicious, melts in your mouth. Get the recipe in my cookbook. The link is below. I love y'all. Peace.